Welcome to our Discover Card Cashback Guide. Today, we'll explore how you can maximize your cashback benefits for everyday purchases. Discover's cashback program includes rotating categories that offer higher cashback rates. Let's find out how you can make the most of these categories. To maximize your everyday purchases, strategically use your Discover card for items you regularly buy, like groceries and gas. Don't forget about online shopping. Use your Discover card at retailers that offer additional cashback opportunities for even more savings. Take advantage of bonus cashback offers. Be on the lookout for limited-time promotions to increase your rewards. It's easy to redeem your cashback as statement credits. Here's how to do it quickly and effortlessly. Integrate your cashback into your budgeting strategy to track and maximize your savings effectively. Let's compare Discover's cashback program with competitors to see the unique advantages you might discover. Combine your Discover card cashback with loyalty programs to maximize your rewards even further. Recap. By following these strategies, you can start maximizing your Discover card cashback and enjoy greater savings on your everyday purchases.